Okay, over here, I found out this bar right here tell you about what percentage is having that it's gonna go in direction. So right now you see it saying about 87. So when it does that, I kind of look at this number here and let it bounce down because I already know it's gonna push back up. So I got in right here, and I do get this set at 10-minute. These are 10-minute candles. But yet it's still, I'm gonna be in and out in 5 seconds. Okay, I'm only using $1 here, and so I'm gonna get in right here because it was a bounce. But then this green bar is saying that it's gonna be about an 87% chance that it's gonna bounce back up. So we're gonna let that play. And there it goes. It did bounce up just like that bar said, and it's gonna happen again as we go on. I'm looking at how this number right here, you see I go down 226 right there, 248, but it's still showing a green line, so that means it is bouncing down, but then it's bouncing up. See, I got in right there, and that was another win. So it's based off of, like, when this green bar is showing like this, that means it's gonna have a high percentage. So what you're kind of looking to do then is let it bounce down, the red bounce down, and then wait for it to bounce back up. Get in down here where it's low, where the numbers are low, and then know that it's gonna come back up. And even you can see right here where the MACD is actually moving up towards a green area. But I found this to be pretty effective, which I've just now discovered this, how this even works, but it's pretty accurate. Only time I see where it's slightly not accurate is like if this red is down too low up in here, and then it does that, it's a little bit more trickier. But especially if you like seeing it's getting green like this right here, for the most part it's accurate. And then sometimes you'll see this right here, it's right now showing 85%, but sometimes you'll see the red is then growing, and then now you know that if it's red, then you're going to go for the high number. See when it bounces back up this way, and then you expect for it to drop down. So you'll let it back up, and then you'll let it drop down. And all I'm doing, as soon as I see it's getting to where I am, I'm either hitting sell or I'm hitting buy up on these here, you know. So if I know that's going to be going green, it's about to bounce back up, I'm going to get in at green, and it's going to be right when this red is bouncing down like this, but I know it's going to jump right back up. That's because of the green that's showing here. If this is all red and this is red here, then I'm going to let the red do its little bouncing, moving down, and I'm going to wait till it bounce up like that right there. See when it bounces up, I'm going to get it right there, and then expect for it to still drop down, you know, based off of this right here, because this is a percentage of that it's going to go. Seems like it's actually measuring the momentum, which is a pretty neat tool.